Living in Miami Beach comes with unique benefits, such as beautiful weather and proximity to the ocean, but it also means being vulnerable to storms, hurricanes, and security concerns. Protecting your home from these threats is essential, and one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's security and durability is by installing impact windows. These windows are specifically designed to withstand extreme weather conditions and provide added protection against intruders, making them an ideal investment for homeowners in Miami Beach. In this article, we'll explore how impact windows can significantly enhance the security and protection of your home in Miami Beach, offering both peace of mind and long-term benefits. Protection against hurricanes and severe weather. Miami Beach is no stranger to hurricanes and tropical storms, which can cause significant damage to homes if not properly prepared. Impact windows are specially designed to withstand high winds, flying debris, and severe weather conditions commonly associated with hurricanes. Shatter-resistant glass. Unlike traditional windows, impact windows feature laminated glass with a protective layer that holds the glass together even when struck by debris. This makes it nearly impossible for the glass to shatter, preventing broken windows and the potential for further damage to your home's structure during a storm. Wind resistance. These windows are engineered to endure high-pressure winds, ensuring that your home remains sealed and protected from wind-driven rain, debris, and other weather elements. By upgrading to impact windows, you reduce the likelihood of water infiltration, which can lead to flooding, mold growth, and significant structural damage. For homeowners in Miami Beach, investing in impact windows offers vital protection against the unpredictable storms that frequent the area, keeping your home safe and secure when severe weather strikes. Enhanced protection against break-in. In addition to weather-related protection, impact windows also serve as an effective deterrent against intruders. Burglars often target homes with weak or outdated windows because they provide easy access to the interior of the home. By installing impact windows, you add an extra layer of security that makes it more difficult for anyone to break into your property. Stronger glass and frame construction. Impact windows are built with multiple layers of glass and a reinforced frame that make them much stronger than traditional windows. These windows are designed to resist forceful attempts to break through, whether from an intruder using a blunt object or other means. Increased resistance to forced entry. Due to their robust construction, impact windows make it much more difficult for burglars to gain access to your home. Even if a burglar tries to smash the glass, the laminated layers and reinforced frames ensure that the window remains intact, preventing easy access to the interior of your home. Installing impact windows improves your home's physical security, giving you the peace of mind that your windows are a significant deterrent to potential burglars. Noise reduction for a quieter home. One often overlooked benefit of impact windows is their ability to reduce external noise. Living in a vibrant area like Miami Beach can expose your home to noise pollution from traffic, neighbors, or nearby businesses. Impact windows, however, are designed with noise reduction in mind. Noise dampening. The laminated glass used in impact windows serves as a barrier to sound, helping to block out external noise. This means that you can enjoy a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment, even in a busy neighborhood. Whether you're relaxing at home, working, or trying to sleep, the reduction in noise can significantly improve your quality of life. Comfortable living environment. By cutting down on the amount of noise entering your home, impact windows create a more serene and comfortable atmosphere. This is particularly valuable if you live near a busy street or are frequently disturbed by external noises. In addition to security, impact windows offer enhanced comfort by reducing the intrusion of unwanted noise, allowing you to enjoy your home in peace. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Impact windows are not just about protection, they also help improve your home's energy efficiency. Their design and construction contribute to better insulation, which reduces the workload of your heating and cooling systems. Thermal insulation. The multi-layered glass used in impact windows is designed to prevent heat transfer, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This insulation reduces the need for excessive air conditioning and heating, leading to lower energy consumption and, ultimately, lower utility bills. UV protection. Impact windows also block harmful UV rays from the sun, which can fade furniture, flooring, and other interior items. By preventing UV rays from entering your home, impact windows protect your belongings and reduce the need for frequent replacements, saving you money in the long run. By enhancing energy efficiency, impact windows allow you to reduce your overall utility costs while maintaining a comfortable home environment. Increased home value. Upgrading to impact windows not only improves your home's security and comfort but also increases its value. Buyers in Miami Beach are likely to appreciate the added protection and energy efficiency that come with impact windows, making your home more attractive on the market. Attractive investment. Homes with impact windows are considered a valuable investment, particularly in areas prone to severe weather conditions. These windows enhance the appeal of your property, making it more desirable to potential buyers who are looking for durability and protection. Long-term savings. In addition to improving your home's marketability, impact windows also provide long-term savings on energy bills and maintenance, making them an appealing feature for homebuyers. Conclusion. Impact windows are an invaluable investment for homeowners in Miami Beach looking to enhance their home's security, comfort, and energy efficiency. These windows provide protection against hurricanes and severe weather, prevent break-ins, reduce noise pollution, and improve insulation, all while adding value to your property. By installing impact windows, you're not just improving your home's physical security, you're also investing in long-term savings and peace of mind. If you're looking to make your home safer, more comfortable, and more energy efficient, impact windows are the perfect solution.